So if you really want to be independent, dependent inside on your values, on your qualities that are inside you, then what we need to do is to focus inside here. And inside here, which is, this outside is the role that we are playing. But inside here is the soul, who we are, the sentient being. And when we are focused here on inside, then this inside has three faculties. One is the mind, the thinking faculty, the intellect, which is the decision making faculty, and whatever the mind thinks, the intellect decides, and then whatever we do according to our decision, we bring into action. The repeated actions become our sanskar, which form impressions in our subconscious mind, and based on that sanskar, again we create thoughts. Now this mind, intellect and sanskar is the MIS. If you take the first letter of each, mind, intellect, sanskar. M for mind, I for intellect, S for sanskar. MIS, the management information system. The external management information system will be in place only if our internal management information system is in place. So this management information system, the soul that we are in, the mind, intellect and sanskar, who we are, we need to be very attentive and focused that my intellect is visualizing only that which I want in life. Because whatever you focus upon, it will grow. So if you really want that there should be, success in your life, that there should be that good qualities in your life of being patient or being peaceful or being happy, and if you really want that, then just focus upon that. And when your intellect is focused upon that, what do I mean by when I say that the intellect is focused? Because this intellect works as a third eye, so it is a third eye which is through which we visualize. So if we want to really focus on the present moment and be concentrated, then we should not only visualize with these eyes, but also visualize with our third eye, that is the intellect. And when we visualize with our third eye and focus on that, then that will grow. That means that will manifest in our life. So if you want our dreams to come true, if you want that, yes, you visualize yourself that you want to become, say, maybe a very reputed doctor, you want to become a very reputed leader, you want to become the richest, you want to be the richest and you want to be listed in one of those top 10s. And you are having that vision, right? But then you need to visualize with your intellect and at the same time be focused, prepare the goals to reach there and be focused on the goals. In that present moment, what I need to do. And when I am focused, you're focused like a crane. Have you seen a crane anytime? What does the crane do? The entire focus of the crane is on the water. And while it is focusing on the water, the crane, it is seeing that there are small fishes which are swimming in the water, in the lake, inside the lake. But the crane is not distracted by them, and its aim is to feed upon those fishes, small fishes. It just lets them pass by, and it is not contented with those fishes that I need to have those fishes and all that. It doesn't get distracted by the small fishes. But what does the crane do? The crane is waiting for the big fish to come, and if it will distract itself towards the small fishes, then it will miss the big fish. So also, now when we have entered the college, when you all have entered the college, there are many small things that may distract your life. There may be something interpersonal conflicts, maybe something which happens with your friends, something may happen in your family. It may be these situations like corona or maybe any other situation that may come up. There may be situation, there may be personality clashes, maybe even with the professors. It could be with the other staff or maybe anybody else. Or there could be something, your health problems, or there may be financial crisis. There may be so many other problems. But remember, all these problems are only like small fishes. They don't have any energy in them. They are everything which are outside. But the key is inside. The solution is inside. The big fish is inside, and that is our internal stage of being at our peace, at our calmness, being that gentleman, that gentle woman. That gentleness, being a genuine person, that is something which is very important. The charisma, the style is not that important through which you impress others, but the character which is inside you, that is important, through which you inspire others. If money is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if character is lost, remember, everything is lost. And therefore, while you are focusing on your intellectual development, opening up your minds, when you are intellectual, you open up your minds, right? And while you are also focused on your physical personality development, because when you're handsome and you're beautiful, you open the eyes of the others, they are all staring at you. And when you are becoming a very genuine person from inside, a very honest person who does not compromise on the standard of your life, the principles of your life, when you're focused on your principles that define you, which is your true identity, you're this inner being, which is your true identity. When you're focused on that, then you become a gentleman or a gentlewoman, and then you open the hearts of the others. So it's very important that you focus on now, so that you become an intelligent, handsome gentleman, or you become an intelligent, beautiful gentlewoman, isn't it? So this should be now your aim. Not only to become intelligent and handsome or beautiful, but also to become a gentleman and a gentlewoman, and that is full of character. And whatever you want to be in the future, you will be able to be that. So always remember to be focused in the present moment, in the now, because life is in the now. Reality is in the now. Solution is in the now. Perfection is in the now. Everything is in the now. Actually, there is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. Because whatever is now is going to be the past, and whatever is now is going to bring the next now. So again, you're going to be in the now. So whatever, if you say even tomorrow, that tomorrow when it comes, again you are in the now, isn't it? So remember that now is something which is important. Now is the reality. And whatever you are being afraid of about the future, that again is just false appearance which are appearing real to you. Okay, they are not at all real. So this is what is real, is today, now, present moment, this moment. And this moment is the moment of your choice. This moment is the moment which gives me my choice to choose what I want to be. This moment is in my control. It is my choice. So I do not blame anybody else, because it is my choice now, whether I want to be focused now or whether I want to be distracted. It is my choice. After all, I am choosing it. So I don't say that, social media distracts me. Again, it is pointing finger to social media. Again, it is blaming them. No. It is my choice whether I want to be distracted or not. So this now is my choice. What I want to do at this present moment is entirely my choice, remember. And so I am responsible for my life. I am responsible to be who I want to be. I cannot blame anybody else in my life. So focus on the now, enjoy the now, and wish you all the best for being in the present moment now always.